Good morning and welcome to VibeYogaFlow Yoga USA. Let's start the day with calm energy. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the sunlight on your skin, your body waking up, your mind coming. Roll your shoulders back gently. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you relax. Feel that morning stiffness melt away. Now come down on your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back like a cat. Exhale, drop your belly and open your chest. Flow with your breath. Slow, tuck your toes and lift your hips high. Press your heels down toward the mat. Feel your spine stretch and energy rise. Walk your feet forward. Let your head hang heavy. Release all tension and breathe deeply. Mountain pose. Now slowly stand up tall. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth. Bring your hands to your heart and smile. You're ready to start your day with peace and strength. Thank you for joining VibeYogaFlow Yoga USA. Move, breathe, feel the vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this peaceful start to your morning.